Hi viewers, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install Capcut on PC. Here it's showing error. Click on 3 dots, find extension in Tools and search and download zenmate. Free VPN. Click on Install and install it. Click on puzzle icon, find zenmate. Select location Germany. Now let's try. Site is working. Lets you can create video online using online app. You can also create a video using online video editor app. Let's check create simple edit like add text.
Simple tutorial. Hi everyone, welcome to Capcut.
Click on Windows icon in Capcut.com. Now download a setup. Open a download folder. Double click on Capcut.exe and install the app. It will take some time, patience. Then it will check a system compatibility. Let's create a simple video tutorials. Click on Import option to add video create. Click on Add text and add it to the video using drag and drop option. That's it. Thanks for watching. Try to subscribe and press like if you really like my video.